Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is about uh, who want to change something in you, who want to change you or some habits in you, some way of talking, anything. Some person near to you or you are thinking of, and there are two piles, and you have to choose one of them. Which one you are attracted most, choose that. And you have to uh, re- uh, revise their name in your mind for this situation. And I'm going to reserve reading number 1. For those who choose the pile number 1 with this blue colored golden ring, your first card is a death card upside down. This is some Scorpio person, or some change is not going to happen. They don't want to change you. Your person that you are thinking of, that person is they want to they want not to change you, not to change yourself. They like you as you are, or they don't want to do something. Okay, they don't want to you to move forward, to do some change. Okay, and with 3 of swords, maybe they are the heart is broken because of you, and it is bleeding, and they are crying for you. You had done something to them. Maybe this is a third party situation, and they know that you have some other person in your life, and they are crying about that situation. Their heart is broken due to you, because of you, and they don't want you to change yourself. They only want you and them with you. They only want them with you, not the other person. They don't want you to change for them. And with 8 of cups, what, sorry, this is knights of cups. uh, uh, they don't want you to give your heart or your love to anyone else. This is only for them. They think that your love, your relationship, your attraction is only for them. Nobody is capable to have this, or nobody had the right to have your love. Okay. uh, Page of cups, yes. They also don't want you to give your heart, to give your love, your passion to anybody else. Yes, they don't want you to change. Maybe they think that you are with someone else, and that's why they are telling you they want you not to give their love, your love that is theirs, and that this they think, and they don't want you to give this to anybody else. There are the many cards that they don't want to you to give your help to other, love to others. And 9 of Pentacles. I think they don't want you to um, have some dreams about someone else, or passion about someone else, to happy with someone else. Also, they don't want you to happy with someone else, or maybe they are getting the revenge from you, and they don't want you to be happy. But the first situation is more likely for your, that they don't want you to be happy with someone else rather than them. 10 of Pentacles. They want you to begin some new happy relationship with them, home life with them. They want to upgrade that situation, or once again they want to love you. They want your love back. And 10 of Swords. I think they believe that you have somebody else, and that's why they want you to betray that other person. not them, that the other person, the third party. And they want you to leave them, they want you to backstab them, they want you to uh, deceive them, leave them. Okay, with this Seven of Wands, they want you to protect your love towards them. Yes, they want you to protect your love towards them from others. If someone asking for your love, then you had to tell them that your heart is closed, your door is closed for them. That's what the situation. And with this Six of Swords, they don't want you to be relaxed, to go towards someone else, or to go towards your happy home life. They want to stalk you, they want you to stuck with them. Yes, they don't want you to have a dream of someone else. They want to restrict you towards them, I think. Okay, Queen of Pentacles, definitely I think you have definitely third party situation, and they don't want you to fulfill your promise with them, don't want to think about them and have any desire towards them. They are very loyal to you, they are restricting you, they are in your feet, and they are stopping you to go towards that person, and you are looking at that person, that pentacle, that other thing, the other person, and you want to have that person, I think so. And with this Queen of Wands, they want you to take care of themselves, and fulfill your promise to only think about them, not anyone else. Okay, be a mature person, think what is good and do what is good. Yes, or maybe at this time they are like this Queen of Wands, and they are ready to do anything for you. This is also the situation. And with this Four of Wands upside down or in reverse position, they will break their relationship with you, or they want you to break relationship with them, or the third party situation. And I think this is for the third party situation. They want you to leave that person, they want you to divorce them, they want you to love them, they want you to be their lover. They are chained you to them, they want you to chain with them. And I think the universe is helping them in doing this. And with this Seven of Cups, they have lot of desire towards you, they have lot of dreams, they are having a lot of dreams about you, they are thinking about you, lot of thoughts about you, you are in their mind. Yes, and they want to do something to you or to the other third person very slowly. Okay, and with this Hierophant upside down, they are not restricting you, maybe they want you to leave them or the other person. They have put the challenge between you, that if you want them or the other person, the third person, if you want the third person, then leave them, or if you want them, then leave the other person. And they are not restricting you to only they are not forcing you to only live with them. And with this let your friends help you, ask for and accept support from others. In this situation, you have to you have to ask for the help from others, from their family, or your family, or your friends, their friends. You need the help from them. They are telling them what is the right, what is the wrong. Okay, give your relationship a chance, work on your partnership. Yes, you have to give this relationship a chance. This person is good for you, they are thinking of you, they are in love with you, they are not restricting you, they let you go, let you do what you want to do, but they are in love with you, they want you to change for them, they are good for you. And with this Lady with a Boast egg, ancient wisdom, you have to protect this heart, this egg, this bird, this is them. You have to protect them. They are with you, they are in your heart, they want to stay with you, in your lap, in your hands, and you have to protect them. The other person is a disaster and this person is good for you. With this bear, they are family member. When they are in bad mood or they are in anger, they are not going to say who is in front of them. They are going to fight anybody, everybody. Yes. And they are a good family member. They are loving person. This bear card is under this lovers card. They are lovers. Okay, the universe will show you the way which is the good, which is the wrong. I think this person is right for you. This is the first person, or whoever you are talking about, asking about, that person is good for you, the other person is not. They are loyal to you, and that person is good for you. Or you can going to see the truth about that situation, who is good for you and who is not, with this in this light of this lantern. Okay, this is your reading. I want to pick some more card for you. Yes, the first card for you is hole. Somebody digging the hole for you to stop them, to stalk you. They don't want you to go away from them. Maybe this person or someone else. And Laufey, the Jotun, wife of Farbauti and mother of Loki. Maybe this the person is your children's mother. So that's why you are not. This is not the good idea to leave that person. And the dogs on duty. Yes, this is a loyal person. They are in duty to protect them from that other person. They don't want you to let go, and they are protecting you, and they are your pair. Okay, with this mermaid, the voice of your soul. You have to listen to the voice of your soul. You have to listen to your heart, your desire, your willing. Who is good for you? Who is better for you? Tribute. Give tribute to this person, the lady, person that you are thinking of. Sky with moon. You are going to have some clarity over this situation. Sky with moon. You are going to know who is good for you and good is not, and you are going to see the truth that you have to do, and what is good for you. Gods, Asire, gods of war, close to humans, god of power, win peace. Okay. Maybe I think that they have help from God. They are not alone. They have the help from God. The God is with them. The Allah is with them. That's why they are going to win this situation. See, unknown. Some unknown person wants to dig the hole for you and to put you in that hole. Want you to fall in that hole, to destroy you. And with this artist, god of Thor, the god defined by someone who is, yes, definitely that person have help from Allah or somebody else, somebody more powerful than you, and they know that. You have to give value to your responsibilities and think what is your responsibility, where is the weight is high for your responsibilities, at the first person or at the other person, the next third party. Okay, woman, mother earth, femininity, love. She is in love with you. She definitely loves you. She definitely care about you. She is the mother of your children, or maybe she is your mother and you are going towards someone else. And Fihu, sign of hope and plenty success and happiness. Yes, with this person that you are talking about, this person, you are going to have a lot of success, lot of plenty of happiness They are good for you, they love you, they are thinking of you, they care for you. And with the Kawasaya, a man created from the spit of the Asire, and when I got to respect the peace treaty between them after their war. Okay, you have to finish this war, you have to finish this battle, this war with them. You have to go with them, the first party that you are talking about, that you are asking about. You have to go with them, they are good for you. With this Thori says gate, reactive force, directed force of destruction and defense. They want you to defend. Yes, definitely they want you to defend. You have to defend yourself from that third party. Okay, with this last card or slip, this is 20, number 20, and number 20, yes, number 20 is in the tarot cards, they are judgment card, and you have to do the justice towards that person. What is the right thing? You have to do the right thing. Okay, you know the situation very well yourself. You have to do it by yourself. You know what is the justice towards other. Do the justice now. Do what is right for right. Okay, that's the reading for you for today. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you want to know more about your situation, this situation or some other situation, you have to go and watch my previous videos, or you can see also my upcoming videos. For that, you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so you can get all of my videos on the time. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes, bye. I'm going towards the reading number 2. For those who choose the pile number 2 or this silver keychain, your first card is upside down, that is 4 of cups. Your person wants you to they want you to think, don't think about some other person. You are thinking about some other person. They don't want you to think about that person. They want you to think about them. They want you to care about them, and maybe they are your father, mother, your parents, or they are some third party situation, but they want you to take care of them, to think about them. And with this Queen of Pentacles, they don't want you to help the others, towards others, their parents, or your parents or someone, and they don't want to fulfill your promise towards them. Maybe they also don't let you make money. They want you to be with them. They are chaining you with them. They are restricting you over here, and they are very powerful person, very cruel. They don't know if you are hurting, or your heart is broken, and they want something and they want to have it. They are go-getters, and maybe they want to leave you. They want to cut you from their life, and they are telling you, if you are not going to do what I tell you, I am going to cut you from my life. I am going to leave you. They are very isolated person, very keen. And with this Queen of Wands, or maybe they want you to cut your parents or someone you have in your life, or the third party situation from your life, and be isolated towards them, and change that thing that is in between you both. Queen of Wands, yes, they want you to fulfill your promise towards them. They want you to think about them. They want you to love them. They want you to share the things only with them, not any other person. And with this card, Knight of Wands, they want you to only see them. They want you to only be for them. No, don't see anyone, don't help anyone, don't love anyone else. I am here, and you have to only love me. You have to only think about me. Okay, they want the relationship with you, they want to marry you, they want to be succeed with you in anything, to have you in their life. And maybe they are not in your marriage, any relationship, and they want to you to only think about them. This is not the parent situation. Maybe they think that you have, maybe you are going towards someone else, maybe you can marry someone else. So they are telling you that only think about me, I am the only one for you, don't think about other person, I'm here for you, I want to marry you. They are telling you that they want you to marry them. Okay, or maybe they want you to be a successful person. Three of Cups. They don't want you to be happy, they don't want you to enjoy your life, enjoy the time. That is the most funniest card. Okay, the Moon. They are hiding something from you. Yes, they are definitely hiding something from you. Maybe they are Cancer, Cancer, Aries, Libra, Libra, Taurus, Sagittarius, Cancer. Yes, they don't want. They are hiding something from you. They have maybe they have love for you and they are hiding this from you, or maybe something they are hiding something from you, and you are going to see this this lie, this anything what this is in this light of this moon. And they don't want you to leave you, they don't want you to go towards anybody, they don't want you to change for them. And they don't want you to give your heart, give your love towards anyone else rather than them. They want you to flirt with them, they want you to extend your light-hearted energy to others, towards them, not others, only towards them. They want to talk to you, they want to play with you, they want to spend some time with you in some countryside. Okay, very soon, and very soon they want these changes in you very soon. Clearly decide what you want to, so that it comes to you now. Yes, they want you to decide if you want them or someone else. They want you to decide it. Okay, with this carnivorous flower fairy, a tempting offer has a high price. I think maybe this person is not the good person, or maybe they want you to be the person like this. Maybe you are so polite, so innocent, so loving, so caring, so helping, and they want you to be little bit like this carnivorous flower, little bit a clever person. Okay, with this autumn is my last chance. Okay, autumn is my last chance, please don't lose hope. They want you to don't lose hope. Maybe you are getting tired of something easily, or you are losing hope in some situation. They are telling you don't lose hope. And they want to change yourself, which at the end of the world, an important and a new beginning. They want you to decide something over here. They are telling you to decide something, decide them or someone else, and you have to end something important over here to begin something new with them. They are telling you to do. Okay, and they are telling you to be aware of the persons, be aware of the man or lady that are telling you the wrong things about that person you are asking for. They are telling you the wrong things, that this person is not good, they are not for you, they have lot of girlfriends or boyfriends, they don't like you, they are going to uh, they are going to deceive you or backstab you. They are talking about this person that you are talking you are asking about, and you have to be aware of that person. They are the liars. They want you to do what they want. They want you to please them. They want you to destroy you. They want you to destroy. That's why they are telling you the lie about that person. They are not the uh, true persons. They are not the person you can believe. And that person, they are loyal to you, or they want you to loyal to them, because they are loyal to you. They are like the Aries. And the Aries person, when they are going to love someone, they are love them by their heart, by their will, by their desire. And they are not going to leave you ever. So be the loyal person to them, be a friend to them, love them, so that the other persons that are not good for you, they can't do you any harm. Okay, I want to pull some more cards for you. Okay, the first slip or the sticker for you is you have to go upstairs. You have to do a lot of work to have them in your life. You have to choose the one path. There's two paths in this picture. You have to choose the one path, and you have to choose the right one. That's for your own good. You have to be on top of that stairs. You have to do something. And okay, lagoons, water leak, dreams, fantasies, mysteries, the unknown, hidden. Yes, someone hiding something from you. They are not telling you the truth, and they are deceiving you. They are backstabbing you. Please be aware of them. They are here for your bad. They are any person. There are a lot of persons here. Virgo, Taurus, or Capricorn, or Libra, Aquarius, or Gemini, Aries, Sagittarius, Pisces, or Cancer. Yes, and you have to be determined for your own good. Think what is good for you. And this is the infinity number 8. Okay, don't revise your mistakes, and be with the person that is good for you. And I think that person want you to be strong more than ever, because they know that you have the enemies in your life with you, and they are living with you. That's why they are making you the most powerful, most isolated, most clever, keen person. And with this, focused on birthright. Yes, you have to focus on birthright. Due to their loving and healing nature, they attract to protect others, those who are fighting with their life problems. INFJ, trying to help them. If they think that they are not able to help someone, then they can donate more. They are afraid to be a bad person. That's why they can do only that they think is good. They are very complicated and quick. They have both weakness and strength within them, but they want to do right things. That's why people are attracted towards them. Yes, this is for that person that you are asking for. They want to protect you. They want to save you from your enemies. They are warning you or aware you from that person. These persons, they want to be a strong person. They want you to be a strong person. They want to protect you. They want to give you the right advices. Yes, that person is good for you, and they want you to be changed for your own good. Yes. Now I think this is all for you for today. Please like, share, subscribe this reading. If you want more about your this situation or some other situation, you have to go and watch my previous videos, or you have to watch my upcoming videos, so you can get some advice from them. And for that you have to you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so you can get the all of my videos at the time, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.